Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are going to be recreating the Ariana Grande 7 Rings makeup look, where she has that like really graphic eyeliner. I use liner, but I honestly don't think in the video that it's liner. I think it's like a stick-on graphic eyeliner thing. So I just went ahead and tried to use eyeliner to recreate it, and I'm so happy with how it came out. You have no idea how much I was like sweating throughout doing this whole makeup look. Good, because yeah, working with eyeliner, very scary. But yeah, if you would like to see how I recreated this makeup look, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So to start off this makeup look, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer that I have here. I'm going to take 2 pumps. So I just took 2 pumps of that primer, and I just like rubbed it all into my skin till it was all soaked in. And then for foundation, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And to apply it, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. This is the 110 foundation brush. Now that the foundation's all done, I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs. And this is the Remarkable Full Cover Foundation. Okay, and now that my base is all done, I'm going to set my foundation. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix foundation and just put this all around the outside. And now to set the highlighted areas, I'm going to take this. This is the Tartiste Contour Palette from Tarte. And I'm going to take this color. And for this look, you want to really make sure that you set your eyelids like all over. And now that our base is all set, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Okay, so now that we have our base done and our eyebrows done, I'm going to take a dark shadow, just a dark shadow that's here. This is an Estee Lauder palette. It has like some eyeshadows and a blush and a highlighter as well. So I'm just going to take the dark shadow that's in here. And with a dark shadow, you're going to need like a pretty kind of skinny kind of pencil brush. This does say it's for eyeliner, but yeah, you're going to need like a skinny brush like this. And you're just going to lightly dip your brush in there and carefully draw on the shape that you want. So this is the part where you have to be like really, really careful. This is why you start with a shadow first, because if you like make any mistakes, you can just rub it off. Okay, and then once you have a shape that you're happy with, so that you've drawn on and you're happy with it, then you can go in with your eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Inglot. This is the AMC eyeliner gel in the color 77. And for, you could use one of these like flat angle brushes, like that. Or you could use, I have this one, but it's a bit flimsy, so this is like a really pointed, this is for like precision eyeliner. Or you could use the brush that you were using before. This actually could be a really good brush to use because it's thick, but it's really thin as well. Like it's a really thin brush, and it's quite hard and dense, so that could be good to help with drawing on with the liner. But I'm actually going to use the Inglot 237 brush. 23T. I'm actually going to use the Inglot 23T brush. So this is for precision liner as well. You can see like it's really sharp and it's really like quite strong at the top there. So I'm going to go in with this brush and just go over where I have put my, where I've outlined, drawn where I want to place my liner. So I'm just going to go over those bits with the actual eyeliner. And a good tip, because you're going to be really taking your time when you're doing this look, you don't want to leave your eyeliner sitting out like this in the open because it will dry very quickly. So when you're not using it, just make sure to like turn it upside down onto any flat surface, and that will ensure that no air will get inside there, if you don't want to keep like continuously putting the lid on and taking it off. Okay, so I've gone in and I've drawn in the first few lines, and I'm just going to go back and keep adding on and just darkening it and making it quite thick. Okay, so I've got the start of the liner on there, and I'm loving how it came out. Actually, it's probably like a really good way if you want to learn how to play around with liner. This is probably a really good way to do it because it looks like you really need to be precise, but honestly I don't think in the makeup look she uses liner. I think it's like stuck on, something that's stuck onto the eye, but you can definitely recreate it with liner, and you don't have to be like super precise. And because you're doing like a thick line, you don't have to be super precise. So if you kind of like make a mistake and go off a little bit, it doesn't really matter because you can just like blend it into the line that you're creating. So yeah, this is the start of like the main part of it anyway, and now I'm just going to finish it off and just do just a normal wing liner just to like join it up to there. Does anyone else like hold their breath when they're doing liner? Whew, my goodness. So here we have the, well, not the finished eye, but the finished eyeliner. I think I really love how it came out. This is my favorite eye. I just love this end bit here. This is so nice. Like, it just looks so good. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on, and now I'm going to finish off the rest of the face. So I'm going to do some blush, and this is a Napoleon Perdis blush. This is an Australian brand. It's like one of my favorite blushes. Now to finish off the look, we're going to do some highlight. Now Ariana has a pretty decent highlight in the photo. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. For highlight, I'm using an XO Beauty small face brush. And these are XO Beauty lashes as well. I think these are the Fantasy lashes. Now for lips in the picture, Ariana has a dark lip, so I'm going to take my Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear lipstick, and this is in the color Melted Villain. And there we have the finished look. I'm so happy with how it came out, and when you do looks like this, it just takes out of your comfort zone and you kind of see like what you could look like in a different makeup look. I absolutely love like graphic liner, and yeah, this one came out so good. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.